The blizzard didn't wait for us. It welcomed us with silence and snow.
Minus 13 degrees. One mistake out here could be the last.
My dog stayed close. In this cold, companionship is survival.
First task, find the right place to build shelter. First task, find the right place to build shelter. Wind direction mattered. Trees mattered. Every detail mattered. I chose a spot protected by thick pine trees. Time was running. Daylight fades fast in winter.
I started cutting wood, hands numb, focus sharp. My dog watched. Loyal. Alert.
Building a bushcraft hot tent was my only chance.
Snow thickened. The storm was getting angry.
Finally, shelter stood against the wind. Finally, shelter stood against the wind. Fire caught, warmth returned.
Night fell fast. The forest went silent. The blizzard howled like a living thing.
We stayed inside, listening.
Every sound felt closer in the dark.
Morning came, we survived day one.
Cold drained energy fast. I needed food. Even boiling snow felt like hard work. My dog ate first. He earned it.
Tracks in the snow told stories.
We were not alone out here.
Wind returned stronger than before.
Second night, would test everything.
Snow piled against the tent walls. My dog growled softly.
I kept the fire alive all night.
Sleep came in short, cold moments.
Morning again. Day 2 survived. Morning again. Day 2 survived.
The storm finally eased.
I repaired gear and checked supplies.
One more night. Just one. The cold never leaves. You just accept it.
My dog never left my side. final night arrived quietly. No storm, just freezing silence.
I thought about home.
Survival teaches patience and respect for nature. Morning light returned.
3 days. Minus 13.
Only the prepared survive.
We packed up slowly.
Survival is mindset.
This wilderness gave a lesson.
"3 days, one dog, one will to survive."